Thursday, July 1st, 2021. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'll be painting. It's been long overdue. We've got a lot of rain lately, so I'm working inside, changing the colors here. Won't be touching the ceiling. This space is going to definitely brighten up. Remember all the furniture? This is all per management. You know, this isn't my style. I'm not against it, but I'm a simple type of guy. But oh yeah, it's going to look much different up here. When I finish painting, I'm going to mount the TV and fireplace. Put the TV here, and the fireplace will definitely go here. It's going to look great. And this space, again, it's going to really look like something out of a magazine. Maybe, maybe not. All right. Brought up some of the stuff I'll be using. Paint tray, you name it, I got it. Even brought my Bluetooth speaker here. Oh yeah, got some great stuff to listen to. It'll help me get through the day. Let's not forget one of the most important things. Pair of gloves. Let's do it. I usually start by taking care of the window area. I don't think I'll do that this time. I'm going to come over here, start here, and then work my way around, all the way around to the very end. That way I won't be going over the same area twice. But actually, I should start here because this is beige, and I'm going to have to turn all the beige gray. Before I even paint, I usually get a damp towel and wipe down the walls. I don't like dust and cobwebs and stuff like that getting mixed in the paint. To me, it's like putting down concrete. You want this stuff to bond well. So again, I'll get my two-step ladder and go to work. After I wipe down the walls, I tape the area I'll be working on. That way paint won't get on like the ceiling here. So you don't want that. You want to tape it as best as you can. I usually have a rule. See, I just ran out of tape, so I had to run to the store. I bought some tape. I don't even like this tape, only because it's not as wide. Got some other stuff. But I usually like to tape the baseboards and stuff like that first. Then come the next day and start painting, because this is a job in itself. Really is. I'll be using Benjamin Moore. Got some gray here. Okay, per management. Got some white here. Per management. All right. I like Benjamin Moore. So I'll be changing the burgundy, white, and the beige will be gray. It's going to turn out great. Are you all still taping the electrical outlets and outlet covers? Stop doing that. Take them off. What I do is make sections like this, like a box, okay? You make a box or an outline like this, and you fill it in. It just seems like this method helps me paint faster, and I don't see too many spots when I'm finished either. This color really makes the world of difference. Look at it. It's great. Almost perfect. Probably is perfect. Really like it. Looks like a different area already. You see the difference? Look at the beige. Too dark. Oh yeah. Pleased with the results. The space is really brightening up now. Time to paint the bottom half. Ran into a bit of a dilemma. I only have one 3-inch roller cover, so I have to use this paintbrush for the smaller or narrow spots on the wall. The 9-inch is okay for this, but I really do need that 3-inch. Now you see the difference. It's night and day, but the burgundy bleeds through the white. It will need a second coat. Again, I can't just use a brush for those areas there. Looks okay so far. I caught a break too. Originally, the burgundy was going to be gray, okay? Same color as the top part. This was going to be gray. Changed at the last minute. So now I don't have to tape the baseboard because the paint matches the trim and molding. That's great. So far so good. This first coat shows you the potential. Looks real nice. I need that 3-inch roller cover. Paintbrush just won't do. You won't have the same finish. But wait till I put the second coat on. You're going to see how nice this area looks. It's brightened up already, but wait till we get to the second coat. Oh, here's a light. I suggest you get your hands on a light. Really helps you find spots. All right, this is just part 1. We're going to end here. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.